Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another job lead video. Real quickly, for all my new subscribers, I post fresh job leads daily, so make sure you have the notifications turned on so as soon as I post a video, you get notified. So I will make this video real quick today, so let's just jump on in. The company Meta, which owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, plus others, is hiring remote work-from-home jobs globally in multiple countries. Now, I will have this main work page linked down in the description below, and this will be for all remote jobs related to Canada, Germany, Netherlands, Sweden, the United Kingdom, Poland, Ireland, the United States, France, Italy, and Spain. And so when you get to this page, you can just scroll down, and on the sidebar, you can sort by, you can click if you only want to see Facebook, or you only want to see Messenger or Instagram, WhatsApp. You just click on the jobs that you want to see. So if we click on Instagram, this will show us that there are currently 13 positions open for Instagram. Now, the position I have for you today is a product marketing manager for monetization. So it's working with branded content ads for Instagram. And if you're on Instagram, you know, you see all the ads we get where you want to buy things. They make all the products look so cool. So it does just say real quickly that the Instagram business is looking for a product marketing manager on their emerging business team to focus on branded content ads. The product team's goal is to help businesses leverage the power of creators in their ad campaigns on Instagram. So the individual will be responsible for building creator-focused ad products, leading go-to-market strategy, and identifying new opportunities for monetization of those ads. They say the ideal candidate will have a background including business strategy, product marketing, analytical skills, and have some experience in digital advertising or creator marketing. They're looking for strong problem solvers who are passionate about the understanding needs of advertisers, consumers, and creators. They want someone who's flexible and comfortable working in a cross-functional capacity in a fast-paced environment. And of course, someone who has excellent communication skills. So a little bit about the responsibilities of the job. They want someone to develop a strategic view of long-term product opportunities, demonstrate a strong understanding of the creator ecosystem and competitive landscape to develop strategic product feedback. They want someone to be able to plan beta testing to ensure successful product launches of advertisements. They want someone who can go to the market strategy and drive product adaptation of branded content. And so they also want somebody who can anticipate risk. The qualifications for this position are that you have at least 6 years of work experience with a background in strategy consulting, digital marketing or advertising, creator marketing, or any other analytical roles. You be able to demonstrate experience in collaborating and influencing partners and stakeholders, experience creating structured framework, experience in strategic direction, and they would like a bachelor degree. Preferred qualifications, but not required, are 2 years experience working in product marketing or experience in the creator marketing industry. So you don't have to have specific experience in the creator marketing industry if you have any kind of digital marketing, advertising, or other analytical experience. And it does say they normally price their positions based on Colorado for whatever legal reasons. The minimum salary, is $157,000 a year, so you can make more than that. That's the least they could pay, plus bonuses and benefits. So I will leave this position as well as the main page linked down below in case you want to check out any of the positions they have to offer. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.